Okay, what we're going to do is start with 1 cup of flour. Pour that in the thing.
Okay.
Put it in there. Very good. Make sure it's all in there. Okay, and then into that, we're going to add 1 cup of, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Put that in there. All the way, you got to dump it. Good girl. Okay. And then 2/8 teaspoons of salt. All right, perfect. Okay, now you want to whisk that together. Whisk it good. Get that, move it around a little bit more. Perfect. Okay, you always go like that to get all of it out, okay? All right. Look at her cook. Okay, now we're going to set this aside and get the wet ingredients, okay?
Yay.
Okay, now that's 2 eggs. Dump that in there. Whoa, 2 eggs. Okay, now we want you to start beating those eggs. Whip them hard. Real hard, a little harder. There you go. So you want to get them all mixed in. Atta girl. Look at that. A little more. We're going to keep whisking it. She is doing great. Okay, now in the eggs, we're going to add the sugar. Okay, add the sugar. Okay, good. Now you got to mix all that together. There we go. Real good. Real hard. You got to go see how hard Gram's going? Do it like that. There you go. Wow, that is good. Okay, now put in the vanilla. Okay, mix it again. All right, that's, now let's put in this unsalted butter. That's butter. Ooh, good girl. Okay, go ahead. Now mix it good. Get a good close-up of how it's going to look, see? Do it real hard, like that, see? All right, keep doing it. There you go. Whoop. Okay. Okay, all right. That's okay, go ahead, add in. That's a 1/2 cup of milk. Okay, use whole milk. Look at that mixture. Doesn't that look good? Nope.
There you go, Gram.
You gotta go like that hard. Okay? Get it all mixed in. Atta girl. Okay, now, as you mix it slowly. I'm gonna add the dry ingredients. Here, do this.
Okay.
Now mix slowly and watch Grandma help you and add little at a time. Okay, keep mixing. So you got to get that all blended. That's okay. See a good shot of this. Keep blending. Atta girl. Okay. Now Gram's going to just help you a little bit and get it all off the sides. Get that real good and blended. That's the batter. What do you think of that?
Oh, is it good?
Okay, see, look at that. Ooh, yummy. Huh?
Yummy.
Okay, mix it a little bit more. Make sure it's blended.
All done.
All done. Okay, you can stop that. We're going to pour the batter so it's easier to pour into the cups, into a container that has a pour spout. Then we're going to put it in the batter in the cups to bake. Okay. All right. Now, I'm going to put this in front of you. Here, let me wash my hands. You ready to pour it in there? Okay, hold this. Can I help you?
Heavy.
Let's pour a little bit. Just a little bit. Ooh, okay, that's enough. Let's go to the next one. Okay. See how we're making little, I don't know how many this is gonna make. Watch me. Now you gotta stand back. And see, I got the oven at 350 degrees. And we're gonna stick them in, okay?
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the light on and we can watch them. I think it's gonna take around 20 minutes. Okay, good job. Good job. We're gonna make some icing in a little while.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna make some icing, vanilla icing. Yay, okay. Now put all this is powdered sugar, 1 cup of powdered sugar. Put it all in there. Okay. And then 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Okay, here. Now, what we gotta do though, don't touch it, is you just touch up here, don't touch anything else.
You ready?
Don't touch it, it's very hot.
Very hot.
So I'm gonna put
Don't
them over
touch.
here to cool. And as soon as they're cool, we'll ice them. See how pretty? Little cupcakes.
Don't you touch.
Don't touch, it's real hot.
Oh, I see it.
You see, so they gotta sit out now. Okay, good job. You made those with the icing to go on them. All right. Good job, Vivi. You want to do that one first?
Yeah.
Okay, put it in the plate. Now look at the tool.
Huh?
See? You see that?
Be careful with it.
Okay, you got to put it in the icing. I'm going to do one and then you can see. See, I'm getting a little tiny bit of icing. Now watch. And then you put it there and you spread it around. Okay? Isn't that pretty? Just a little bit for pretty. That neat? Okay, you try one. Here.
Okay.
Here you go. Get a little icing. Okay, that's enough. That's
Get a
enough.
little closer to her.
Yeah. Put it in there. Oop, I'll hold it. Put it around with the back of it like this.
Now I'm back of it.
Okay, go ahead. Smash it down. Spread it around a little. Atta girl.
Good work.
Good job. Ooh, a little bit more off of it.
More
Okay,
of
go
it.
ahead. Okay, now spread it around on the other side.
Alright.
Hey, that's good. Let's get another one. Get some more icing. Get some more icing. You have to get some more icing. A little bit more. That's good. Put it on the cupcake. Spread it around. Now spread it around. There you go. All over. Good girl. Beautiful. Maybe a little bit more. A little touch. No, that's enough. Don't put too
Get
much.
just a little bit on there.
That's a little too much. Put it on it.
All right, get a little small piece.
A little bit. That's good. Now press it on there. Spread it around. Good. You want to do another one?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a small one.
Small one. Put it on there. Spread it up.